Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will explore one of the most important part of the GROMACS graphical user interface, the dashboard. Now, once you double click the executive file or application file, this dashboard is the first thing that you see. This is where you get the complete overview of your simulation environment, system resources, and quick access to all the tabs. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how the dashboard works and how to monitor your system health while running the MD simulations. So let us talk about the layout of the software. So as I have already said, the dashboard is the very first tab of the graphical user interface of GROMACS that we are presenting. On the left hand side, you will see the list of all available tabs. There are 21 in total, excluding the dashboard that you are seeing and the guidance support tab at the very end. The tab number will only increase by the time you watch this video and further development happens from our side. So each tab is shown with its one line description, so you can quickly understand the purpose of each and every tab. Now this will make navigation really easy even when you are new to use this software. Now let me introduce you to the system resource monitor, which is one of the unique features that we are providing. Look here at the upper right corner of this dashboard, there's a live system monitor. This will track CPU usage, RAM usage, and disk activity in real time as you use this software. So now why is this important? Because the GUI supports parallel execution of GROMACS command, running multiple processes at once can put a very heavy load on your system. So monitoring these indicators ensures everything stays stable. So a simple thumb of rule, at the bottom of your GUI, you will notice a blue status indicator. When everything is working smoothly as it is now, it will display the system is normal, all modules are operational. But in the case if your system goes under heavy load, this indicator will turn to red. At the same time, the CPU, RAM, and disk bars will also turn red when the usage crosses a safe threshold. So now this doesn't mean the software will crash. Instead, it just slows down parallel processes to protect your system. Now let us talk about how do you manage the parallel processes. In other words, what should you do when the things turns red? Now, these buttons turning red is your signal to manage parallel processes. You might want to reduce the number of simulation running at once, or you may close other heavy application in order to make proper memory usage. The GUI is built to stay stable even when overloaded, but smart resource management will ensure smoother performance of the software. Now let us talk about the tab organization. So let me give you a brief idea on how the tabs are arranged in this software. To make things simple, all the tabs that are needed for setting up and running molecular dynamics simulations are placed first. After that, you will find tabs for trajectory analysis, data plotting, and visualization. Well, this logical order saves time because you usually start with setup, then run your simulation, and then analyze the result in one smooth flow. So how is that you navigate through these tabs? So coming to navigation, you can switch between the tabs right by clicking them, or there is a triangular arrow at the top right as well as top left of the corner GUI. This make it really convenient to move forward. As you can see over here, by clicking you can move forward with the tabs, or by clicking on the other end you can get to the previous tabs as well. So this make it really convenient to move forward and backward without losing track of where you are. So this is quite really simple. At a glance you can check out all the tabs that are there in this software. So let's recap. This dashboard is your control center. It shows the tab list with the description, live system monitoring, a health indicator, and easy navigation for your smooth experience. Remember, if your indicator turns red, it's time to reduce the load and keep things stable. So that's it for the dashboard overview, my friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comment. In the next video, we will dive into setting up simulation step by step. Thanks for watching and see you soon, my friends.